Welcome back to Car Review. The 2025 Subaru BRZ continues to capture the hearts of driving enthusiasts with its commitment to delivering a pure, unadulterated driving experience. In a market increasingly saturated with versatile vehicles that prioritize comfort and convenience, the BRZ stands out by sticking to the fundamentals that define a true sports car. Inside, the BRZ maintains a focus on functionality and driver engagement. The low dashboard design enhances visibility, ensuring that drivers can concentrate on the road ahead. Although the cabin is snug, taller individuals will appreciate the front space, while the rear seats are best utilized for storage rather than carrying passengers. The car's compact nature does present some challenges when entering and exiting, but these are minor inconveniences in light of the driving rewards it offers. Technology features are straightforward, with essential amenities such as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with responsive USB charging ports. The infotainment system is basic but effective, although the audio quality could be improved to better combat road noise at higher speeds. Safety features are also included, especially in the automatic model, which offers advanced driver aids like emergency braking and adaptive cruise control. These systems enhance the driving experience, ensuring that fun doesn't come at the expense of safety. In summary, the 2025 Subaru BRZ remains a standout choice for driving purists. With its combination of lightweight performance, engaging handling, and essential technology, it invites enthusiasts to enjoy the road as it was meant to be experienced. This rear-wheel drive coupe is designed for those who seek excitement and engagement behind the wheel. At its core, the BRZ features a 2.4-liter flat-4 engine, producing 228 horsepower. While some may view this output as modest in the realm of sports cars, the lightweight design of the BRZ allows it to achieve remarkable performance figures. The power delivery is smooth and linear, ensuring that every acceleration feels responsive and exhilarating. Enthusiasts will appreciate the car's ability to deliver a thrilling drive without relying on forced induction, as there are no major updates or turbocharged variants for this model year. When it comes to handling, the BRZ excels with its sharp, precise steering and finely tuned suspension. Drivers can expect a level of feedback that few modern vehicles provide, making it easy to navigate tight corners with confidence. The car's agility invites spirited driving, whether on winding roads or racetracks, and those looking to indulge in some drifting will find the BRZ willing and capable. Its stability allows for smooth transitions, enhancing the overall enjoyment of pushing the limits. The braking system also deserves mention in tests. The BRZ Limited model demonstrated impressive stopping power, halting from 60 mph in just 106 feet. This performance is not only commendable for a sports car but also speaks to its versatility for daily driving. While everyday drivers will find the brakes sufficient, track enthusiasts might consider upgrading to high-performance pads for more aggressive applications. Acceleration in the manual variant is quick, clocking in at 0 to 60 mph in just 6.1 seconds, putting it in the competitive range alongside vehicles like the Volkswagen Golf GTI and Mazda Miata. The 6-speed manual transmission enhances the driving experience with its precise and satisfying gear shifts, while the automatic option provides an easier, yet still engaging, alternative for those who prefer a more relaxed driving style. It can reach 60 mph in 6.9 seconds and features paddle shifters for an added layer of control.